You hear it, Mommy?
I hear it, William.
So now I need to open the door, right? Just open the door, it's gonna stop, right, Jessica?
Yes, sir.
Slowly, right? Yep, it's like that, real slowly now. Yep, that's it. It's still beeping. Yep. Alright. Same thing on this one, you just need to like, got that high speed oven going on. That's why I've been making the video, right, Mommy?
That's right, William.
Knowing how it works. We have to be real careful when you open the door, right? Because it's hot in here. Making sure it gets really hot. Really hot when you open the door. Making sure so. Got some high-speed ovens going on for me. Alright guys, let me go ahead and turn all the ovens on. That way you can see which one is the loudest and which one is the quiet one. So, see, got some Blodgett and Auto shamm ovens. Yep. To turn it on, just push and hold this button down. Yep. And same thing on top one, just push and hold this button down. Yep. Fires up. See that light come on? Alright. So here's all the ovens again. Alright, this one's ready. Alright, touch. Tap. Tap. Oh. Because who loves you, Mommy? That's why because that's why I've been making the video of all that high-speed ovens and how it works. Right?
Remember Kojak, the old TV show Kojak?
Yep.
No. It was actually, yeah, it wasn't, I say that, but I'm actually too young to remember it. I just saw it in reruns.
Got some ovens for me, so it's all waiting for me, right? Making the video of how to. Yep. Yep.
That's the one who tracked me down. He tracked me down for everything. Oh, yeah. I wonder if they're having trouble enrolling people. You know?
Yep. So, got some high-speed ovens going on for me.
I told you that they were,
Yeah, but to stop it, just press the button right there. It stops it. Yep.
And I'm totally not saying it right, but Tiffany said Cartwell, but she can say Cartwell. And Tiffany is a girl I go to church with. And but she takes a lot of so it could be Cartwell.
Got that high-speed oven going on for me. So, it's a Blodgett. Because that's how it works. So, you see it. It turns it on. The fan is running. Yep. It's cool, isn't it? Because that's why I've been making the videos, right? Everybody's all waiting for those noises. Yep.
So Cartwell,
All waiting for it, isn't it?
unless it's gonna get better, because they were pretty abysmal.
Yep.
I mean, it was our thing too.
These are really cool ovens. Very cool. It's really cool looking. It's very cool. It's all waiting for it. For making the video. It's all that steam coming in. So now, yep. Yes? Yes? These are really cool ovens. These are really cool ovens. Yep. These are really cool ovens, right, Jessica? The fan, right? And the heat comes in, and the fan circulates all that hot air.
Is everybody coming back to the other school?
Making a nice video, right?
Put them in school to begin with and see how it goes.
Right? We have to be very careful when you open the door, right? Because it's still hot on the inside. Alright. We got a bonus treat for you. We got the ice machine fire up. got that dishwasher. Very cool. Fills up against the cycle. Yep. You hear that sound? It's filling. We got some cool stuff around here. Got that dishwasher, isn't it? I've been waiting for those noises. And here's the power switches for like turning the power on if you're doing maintenance. And here's the information. All right. That dishwasher is really cool. Yeah, you hear it? You hear that noise? Yep. And again, here's the information. Caution extremely hot. You know why? Because that's why there's a heating element. Yep. Got a nice dishwasher, isn't it cool? All right. Bye, Jessica. Got the ice machine going on for me. You hear it? You hear it, Mommy? Yep. And here is Jessica's office. Yep. Got the laptop. All right.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, quick start guide for that thing. Look at that.
Oh.
Get a nice manual.
Yeah, that's for these.
That's for these.
Yeah. Right? Cambros.
I think that's your bottle of water, too.
Alright, let's go.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Do you hear that ice machine, Mommy?
That's Miss Angie, William.
Angie.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, Miss Angie. Good. My mom will come let me starting my things up for me.
It's hot outside.
Very hot outside.
Oh, okay, good. Yep. So that was perfect. That worked out perfect.
Thanks, Jessica.
You're welcome, William. Have a good day, honey.
Got a nice video of knowing how to work all things, right? Ice machines, ovens, dishwashers, everything, right, Jessica?